You can feel it before you even see it. The heartbeat of Kingston, a rhythm that travels through the streets, the markets, the hills, and lands deep in the night. When the bass line drops, Jamaica breathes differently. This is dancehall, a world built on rhythm, rebellion, and raw emotion. But beneath the smoke and the lights lies a story about power, attraction, and freedom. In Jamaica, attraction has its own pulse. It is natural attraction, a force that moves through space, music, and motion. It's not just chemistry, it's choreography. Every look, every sway, every lyric is part of the conversation between man and woman, between freedom and control. Cultural theorist Carolyn Cooper once said, "The dance hall is a heterosexual space, a stage where men and women perform eroticized gender roles." Picture it. The woman, center stage, her body moving with defiance. The men, on the sidelines, circling, watching. At first glance, it looks like objectification. But look closer, and you'll see something else. Power. Because for many women, the dance hall was liberation. Here, they could shed the rules of a conservative society and take control of their image, even if it came wrapped in glitter and skin. The dance hall floor became a space of rebellion, dressed as seduction. But no stage stays the same for long. As the years rolled on, men moved from the shadows to the spotlight. No longer satisfied as spectators, they joined the ritual. Their clothes got tighter, their moves got sharper. Attraction became a duel. Each movement said, "Look at me." Each lyric asked, "Who's in control now?" And the dance hall, once a space of male gaze, became a battlefield of balance. If the dance hall is the stage, the lyrics are the scripture. Words that cut, tease, and taunt, building empires of masculinity and desire. In songs like Wicked in Bed or Romping Shop, men claimed power through language, defining pleasure as conquest and sex as performance. "Deal with your breast like my crushing Irish," Cartel declares. But women were listening, and they responded. Maca Diamond, Spice, Lady Saw. They flipped the script, turning male fantasy into female declaration. "Stab out my meat," Spice screams, not as submission, but challenge. This lyrical tug-of-war became the soundtrack of a nation negotiating gender itself. Today, dancehall lives far beyond the club. It's in the streets, the schools, the fashion, the slang. The bold hair, the nails, the talk, all carry the rhythm of resistance. Even artists turn the erotic into economics. From Vybz Kartel's daggering condom line to Spice's brand of bold independence. In Jamaica, sex isn't hidden, it's stylized. The erotic is art. The body, a billboard for confidence and survival. At its core, attraction in dancehall isn't just about lust. It's about being seen. The poor, the overlooked, the marginalized find spotlight here. Every whine, every lyric, every stare says, "I exist, I matter." Attraction becomes the art of self-definition. It's a social language carved out of rhythm and rebellion. The dancehall is more than just sound. It's Jamaica's mirror, reflecting joy and contradiction, pleasure and pain. Every night in that space, people reclaim what history tried to take: autonomy, laughter, and control over their own story. As Carolyn Cooper reminds us, even the erotic in dancehall is political, a declaration of life against respectability. In every lyric and move, there's resistance, there's survival. So the next time you hear a dancehall track, listen closely. You're not just hearing music, you're hearing history. You're hearing the pulse of a people who refuse to be silenced. Because even in chaos, there's rhythm. Even in rebellion, there's beauty. And somewhere between bass and breath lives the story of Jamaica.